This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So we have a data. Can I go for see category wise sales? We have data category wise sales here. We are representing what are the different categories are there, and what is the sales values of the each category we are getting. All right. So furniture category, office supplies, and technologies. So I can create one more sheet. This is the sheet related to category wise sales. Okay, you can rename it category wise sales. Okay, the sheet is showing the category wise sales. All right. So one more sheet I can create a category, a subcategory wise sales, category subcategory level of sales. Right. Let me go for do some color part. So for category, I'm dragging into colors. So we can get the three different colors for the each category. Same thing I do for sheet 2 as well. I drag the category into colors. Right, three different colors we have it. So when user rename this one as well. Sorry, wise sales. So when users see that a furniture, office supplies, technology wise sales, we have this much values are there. So what do you want to make it? If I click on the furniture, I want to see that what are the different subcategories are there, and subcategories wise, each subcategory wise sales I want to be shown it. Which are the subcategories belongs to the furniture? I want to see that, and what is the sales of it? What is the sales of it? So how that interaction need to be created? When I click on the bar, I want to be show that when I click on the bar, when I click on technologies, I want to show that which are the different subcategories belongs to the technology and sales values, right? So suppose we have a hierarchy. Generally we have a hierarchy here, uh, category wise sales, right? So when I click on this hierarchy, we have a plus symbol here. When we have the hierarchy, we can find that plus symbol. So click on this plus symbol, category wise subcategory sales we are getting. When I click on again, you can go for manufacturer wise sales, and when I click on manufacture, we can drill into that product level of sales. So this is the hierarchy. This is the generally we have an hierarchy. Okay, it will show all the categories related, subcategory related, manufacturer, product names, right? All we can get it. So what is our requirement now is when I click on the bar, I want to go for see that related data in the next level. When I click on furniture, what are the subcategories related to furniture? When I click on office supplies, which are the subcategories belongs to the office supplies? And when I click on technologies, I want to see the which are the subcategories belongs to the technology. Okay, I want to be navigate here. Navigation also we are doing that. When I click on category wise sales, if I click on technology, I want to travel category wise sales to subcategory wise sales. I want to travel from here to here. That's in the BA terminology, navigation. So navigating from this sheet to target sheet, and we need to get the related data. I want to get the related data in the target sheet. So when it will be navigated is when I click on the particular bar, I want to navigate to the target sheet and show the related subcategories. For that, what we do is we can create an action. Okay. So how we can create action here is, so this is sheet to sheet. Now I am showing that how you can create an action sheet level, worksheet level. Okay, click on the sheet. This is the source sheet and this is my target sheet. First thing you should know that which is the source sheet and which is the target sheet. My source sheet is category wise sales, target sheet is subcategory wise sales. Right, go for the source sheet, worksheet, action. Click on action. The first action type we are seeing that filter action. Okay, add action we have. So these are the different types of actions we have it: filter action, highlight action, go to URL, go to sheet, change parameters, and change set values. All right. So just click on filter. First action type is filter. Okay. So what I can give the name of this filter? Filter action. We are drilling to the category to subcategory action. Okay, category to subcategory action. So here you can find that in the pop-up window, source sheet, target sheet. Which is the source sheet and which is the target sheet? You should be know that. So here my source sheet is category wise sales. So you can just select the category wise sales here. Only category wise sales. My target sheet is subcategory wise sales. My target sheet is subcategory wise sales. Okay. So and here we have that run action types. Four types of run actions are there. Our select a menu. So go with select that select one. Okay. Most of the 90% we use the select option for that action. Click OK. Okay. Just click OK. Now can you see that when I click on this furniture, I am moving into the subcategory wise sales sheet and getting the related subcategories in the target sheet. Okay, and go back to the category wise sales and select the office supplies, and you can get the office supplies related subcategory. Just we are traveling from category wise sales to subcategory wise sales and getting related data. We are filtering out. Target sheet is getting filtered based on that action you can perform in the source. So when you click on technology, when you click on technology in the source sheet, we are traveling into the target sheet, subcategory wise sales, and getting technology related data in the target sheet. An action filter is created. We haven't created manually, but automatically based on the action, it created a filter. You can go for check that what is there in that filter. Edit filter, it select only technology. Okay, dynamically based on the selection you do in the source sheet, the action filter, when you select office supplies, the action filter show that office supplies. Okay, based on the selection we do in the source sheet, it will be changed. Now you can check it that filter in the target what is showing furniture. So what are the source level we do the changes related filter. Clear this? So this is how we can do that. Next, suppose I can create one more sheet. I can create one more sheet which can be hold that category, subcategory, and manufacturer level of sales, and manufacturer level of sales. Information. More detailed information. The sheet contain these many three levels of data. So when I go for subcategory wise sales, we came to that category office supplies, subcategory, these different types of subcategories. Suppose if I click on storages, if I click on storages, I want to navigate to that manufacturer level sales and which are the different types of manufacturers for the storages I want to be shown that. Okay, which are different types of manufacturers are there in the storage. So I can put the name of the sheet for is image manufacturer level sales. Okay, manufacturer level sales. So when I go for click on this sheet, I want to be navigate to the manufacturer level sales filter initially. Okay, go for subcategory. So worksheet, action, add action, filter action we are doing, right? So what is the source and target now? What is the source sheet here?
Subcategory wise sales.
Subcategory wise sales is the source sheet here. Subcategory wise sales is a source sheet.
Is manufacturing.
in manufacturer.
Sales is the target sheet. Okay, and select option you can go for use the select for action. Click OK. Click OK. Now first we can comment. So when I click on office supplies, I can go for level data in the next sheet. When I go for select that binders, click on binders. We can get it different types of manufacturers for the binders. Are we getting different types of manufacturers or not? Okay, this is the way the action will be performed. And you want to go for product level. If you go select that particular manufacturer, I want to see what are the different types of products are there. So we can go for create one more sheet. Okay, rename it to product level sales. Product level sales. Okay, so drag the category, the subcategory, manufacturer and product level of sales. Okay, each product wise what was the sales is there. Now I want to create an action between manufacturer sales to product level sales, right? So among these between these two, what is the source and what is the target? So manufacturer level sales is the source and product level source is the sales is the target. Okay, so go for create worksheet action, right? Add action, filter action. So my source sheet is manufacturer level sales. My target sheet is product level sales. And name of this filter action is okay. So select that. Let's see the menu option here. What is the menu? Okay, and click OK. Click OK. Now let's go for from the first sheet category sales. So technology, if I click on technology related subcategories, we are getting. And phones, I am click on phones. Which are the different types of manufacturer for the phones are there, and which is the best phone we have it. Everyone like that Apple. Click on Apple. So these are the different types of phones. No, no, why it was in subcategory level manufacturing and okay. So we are getting that all the different types of products. The products from the manufacturer Apple earpods and Apple iPhone 5s, 5c, 5s. Okay, this is the way the actions we can create it and navigating from one sheet to another sheet. Now we are navigating from sheet to sheet, category wise sheet to subcategory wise sheet, subcategory wise sheet to manufacturer to the product level sales. So how we can create same thing with a between dashboard to dashboard. Okay, generally we don't do that sharing the sheets to the customer. We can put all into the dashboard and create a share with the customer, we do that. Okay, sharing with the customer, we do that. So that's why I'm board now. Okay, we are creating dashboard now, and action we are creating between dashboards. Okay, first dashboard I can name it category. Okay, first dashboard name is category. So I will drag my category by sales into this dashboard. At the same time, before going it, what are the actions are there at sheet to sheet, we remove it. Okay, otherwise it will be get black. Remove this, remove this. Okay, remove this. Click OK. Right, and we create the actions between dashboards now. We remove there and we can create the actions in the dashboard level. Okay, remove these legends. So this is category wise sales, and I will create one more dashboard sales. No, this one, sorry, this is only subcategory level only, right? Subcategory wise sales. So I can put it Name of it is subcategory. Okay, rename it to subcategory sales. Okay, I can create dashboard. So manufacturer level sales category. What are the different types of manufacturers are there? I can put it here. So rename it to manufacturer level sales. Manufacturer. Okay. And next we can create one more dashboard, product level sales. Okay, product level sales we have it. So rename it to product. Okay, I want to go for see that action. So when you go for select the, so initially you need to be, this is my first source sheet and this is target sheet. Okay, when I go for ticket is the source and manifest is target, and manifest is the source and next product is a target. Okay, so my first source is category. So go for select the dashboard and go with the dashboard. Now we are creating action and dashboard level. You action, dashboard action, filter. So category dashboard. Very carefully you need to select the dashboard or sheet. We have the category wise sales sheet as well is there. Okay, we need to select the category wise dashboard. Okay, category wise dashboard. And target is subcategory dashboard. Subcategory dashboard. Okay, keep menu option only. We can see how it will be work. Click OK. Click OK. So next action is when I go for subcategory, I want to navigate into manufacturer. This is the source for the manufacturer target. Go for dashboard, action, okay, add action, filter, category dashboard. Target is manufacturer dashboard. Okay, so I can name it sub 2. Okay, click OK. Next action we created manufacturer to product. So then you need to select the manufacturer dashboard and go for dashboard tab and action. Okay, add action, filter. Here we can make it as man to pod. Right. Manufacturer is my source dashboard and target dashboard would be product. Okay. So click OK. Click OK. Now let's see that how it will be work. Just keep it this presentation mode. F7 is the shortcut. When I click on technology, here when you say that menu action, when you pop-up window, small pop-up window open and filter option would be there. Click on that. Navigate to the subcategory by sales and click on the binders and subcategory to manufacturer. The action can be performed. Click on it. You can go with the different types of manufacturer. From that particular manufacturer, you want to go for navigate to the different types of product, manufacturer to product. Click on it. We can get all different types of products. So we came to the product level of data. I want to go back to category level sales dashboard. How we can go back? How we can go back? Category level of sales. So here we have the dashboard option category. You can directly click on it. You come back to that home page. But it is not suggestible because it's little bit harder selecting this. Okay, can we do some other way to navigate to the home pages? We can use the buttons and we can make it as a use the buttons and navigating to the home page. So how we can do that? So how we can do it is, so we can go for use the dashboard objects. In the dashboard objects, we have the option called as navigation. Navigation. Okay. First, we can go with the product. Okay. And I will drag my navigation button to that product dashboard. Right. So go for edit this button. Edit this button. And where I want to be, go back. When I click on this button, where I want to go back to that manufacturer level. So select the manufacturer dashboard. Okay. Uh, Return to manufacturer level. Okay, return to manufacturer. Okay, apply. Okay, so go for make it as floating mode. Okay, when you click on it, you go back to the manufacturer dashboard. Okay, when you click on this button, you will go back to the manufacturer dashboard. So let's see that it's going or not. Go for presentation mode, click on it, you will come to the manufacturer level dashboard. Okay, from manufacturer, I want to create one more button. In the manufacturer level dashboard, I want to create one more button. When I click on that, I want to go back to subcategory. Okay, use the navigation option and go for edit this button, subcategory, dashboard, subcategory. You can select it, return to subcategory dashboard. Okay, apply. Okay, here you can put it. Select the floating. Make keep it that in floating out. Okay, on top of it you can adjust it. Return to subcategory. So when you are not in presentation mode, this action, this navigation couldn't be worked properly. Keep it is in presentation, and you can go for working back. Okay. At desktop level, there is some limitation, and not in the presentation, it doesn't be work properly. Okay. Now one more button we created it. Go back to the category level. So drag that navigation option to dashboard, and next step what you need to do is you need to edit that button. Select where you want to be navigated back category and name of it. The button name you will specify here is return to category. Okay, and apply. Okay, I don't want to put the button like this. I want to be make it as in floating. So adjust that button to either top or bottom right corners. Okay, so keep it like this. Now let's check that. When I click on return to category, we can get it home page. So how it would be work now? So just go for click on furniture. Click on furniture. We have click on filter 1. We'll navigate into different subcategories of which is related to furniture. And I can go for click on chairs. Navigate to the different types of manufacturer of the chairs we are getting. So if I go with a particular manufacturer, a global, okay, navigating to different types of products from that. So these are the different particular manufacturer. So I want to return to that back to manufacturer, return to subcategory, return to category. Whatever the level you want to back it, we can return it. So you may ask me that, sir, I'm in product. I'm in product. I want to directly return to that category page. Yes, you can create one more a button here. One more button you can keep it. Okay. So which can be returned directly to the product. So we are in a product level. I want to return directly to the category. I want to return directly to the category. So you can keep it one more button as well. This is the one button we have. It actions like this. Keep it bottom somewhere and drag one more button. Okay, drag one more button make it as floating, right? Drag this navigation one, bottom of it, right? One more navigation I'm creating. Edit this. Where do you want to go for? When I click on this button, where I want to go for? I want to go back to category, directly to category level. Okay. Return to category. Okay. Return to direct category. Apply. And background color, you want to keep it or none, everything formatting thing you can do it here. Okay, whatever the format. Image you want it, you can select the image option as well, right? Whatever you wanted you can select. So now you can go with the presentation mode. When you click on this return to category, directly come to this page. Okay, the action you can perform it. So if you want to go back to that manufacturer, use this button. If you directly want to go back to the category, use this second button. You can get it here. Okay, same way you can create it. Clear this? So same thing, I can go for show you that using the maps how we can go for create these actions. Okay, so let
Sir,
me
I
go
have a
for
doubt.
first. Yeah.
Sir, navigation button is there, no, sir.
Mm.
Can we make shape like a triangle, circle,
Yes, yes.
circle shape?
Images you can keep it whatever the image you wanted.
Not image, shape.
Image is nothing
Sir,
but a shape. I'm saying. Yeah, shape you can use it. Shapes also you
like
can use it.
forward button, like that shapes.
Shapes also you can use it. Yes,
Okay,
yes. You can use them.
okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now I will show you that how we can get do that in the maps. Suppose if I created a map. So let me show you that these two types of maps we have it. I will show you simple how we can create the map. So if you want to create a map visualization, should be a geographic dimension. So you need a geographic dimension to represent in maps. Geographic means it's a name of country, state, region, city. Okay, those are all fields we can call it as geographic dimensions. Okay, just double click on country. Okay, you can get show that what are the countries we have it. Okay, and you want to show that country names, drag the country name into labels. Okay, Canada, United States related data we have it. And I want to show the sales of it, drag the sales into labels. Okay, country and United States. So I can name it as rename it to country wise sales. Okay, this is country wise sales. And if you want to get a different color for the each country, what you do, we can drag the country into colors, right? Next sheet, I can go for create one more sheet where I want to show that region wise sales. So I want to go use that field map. Okay, field map we can use it and drag the region into colors, region into colors, and drag the region into labels. What are the regions are there? And each region sales values I'm representing that. Okay, each region wise sales we have it. And you want to keep the country as well, drag this country also into detail. Okay, country region. So rename it to what name we can get it? Region wise sales. Okay, region wise sales. Clear that?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Next we can create one more sheet that will get it. Go for new sheet, uh, select the country into detail, region into detail, and state also. Drag the state into detail. So you can get all the states, different types of states which we have in the data, and sales values into labels. Okay, put it as a field map. Okay, field map. And now you can drag the sales into label, and state names. You want to get display the state names also, drag into the label. All the states names also you can get it here. All right. So this is, I name it as state wise sales. State wise sales. Each state wise, what is the sales we have it, we are getting that. And just duplicate this sheet. Okay, rename it to city wise sales. Okay, rename it to city wise sales. So drag the city also into detail. All the cities we can get it here. All the cities we can get it here. So if possible, field map you can take it. Yeah, it's not highlighting field map. Keep it as symbol map because there is so many number of cities are there, right? That's why. Okay, keep it as symbol map. And you want to make it a color for it, you can change that. Sales into colors. Okay, and size of it. You can get all the cities are there, right? So now we can go for keep this all four sheets into four different dashboards. The dashboard name I can put it okay. Let me rename this dashboard name to country wise. Country sales, country level sales I can put it. Okay, drag that country wise sales into,
Sir, screen is not.
remove this one. Sorry,
Sir, screen is not displaying, sir.
dashboard.
Not showing.
It's not visible.
Hi, sir. It's not visible.
No, no, it's visible, right?
Yes, yes.
Rename to state wise sales. Okay, region also is there. Create one more dashboard. Rename it to region level sales. Okay, so I will drag the region wise sales into region level dashboard. Okay, state level dash sales into state level dash. Okay, and create one more dashboard which is show that city-wise sales. Right. So drag the city levels sales into here. Okay. So now we can create an action between each one of the dashboard. Country to when I click on particular country, I want to see that different states belong to that country. Okay. So I will be action country to state. So go for dashboard. Okay. Add action, filter action. Okay. Country level to target sheet is region, region level sales. Okay. Go with the select option. Okay. So what is this three options? Clearing the selection will be three options are there. What is the three options is key filtered values, show all values, exclude all values. What it means is when you don't select anything in the source sheet, if you don't select any country in the source sheet, it will keep all the states as the visible. Okay, if you don't select any country, target sheet will show all the states, all the regions. Okay, so that is the show all values. That is a show all values. Whereas exclude all values means in the show sheet, if you don't select anything, the target sheet will be get hided. The target sheet would be get hided. It cannot show anything. Okay, until you select something in the source sheet. That is exclude all values. Okay, key filter values means if you selected something in the source, okay, the target can show that related data until unless you select another option in the source. Until unless you select the another option in the source, we can go for keep the key filter values. Okay, same related data you can show in the target. Show all values means in the source you don't select anything, it will show the target all the values in the target sheet. What are the values are there in that, it will show everything. Okay, exclude all values means if you don't select anything in the source, it will get hidden, target sheet will get hidden. Okay, it cannot show any values. Next step I will show you that what clearly these three options. For time being we are using key filter as key filtered values. Okay, click OK and click OK. Next action, state to region. Sorry, region to state. Region to state. Go for region dashboard, data set and action. Okay, add action, filter action type and select here. Target is state. Click OK. Click OK. Okay, next action is state to city. Next action type is state to city. Okay, select the state dashboard and dashboard action and go for add action is filter type. Okay, so state is my source, target would be city. Okay, option here run action type is select, right? Click OK. So all actions are created, country to state, state to region, region to city. Now you can go with the country level, make it as presentation mode. Let's see how it will be work. Click on United States. You can get that regions divided to United States into four: Central, East, and South regions. Which region we can select? We can go for East first. Click on East. So what are the states belongs to the East region? We get it here. What are the East region states? These are the different types of East region states. So which state we are very familiar? New York. Click on New York City. New York State, sorry. So we can get it. Cities are there in the New York State. We have, and here you can see there is a light color circles are there. These cities are there in the New York State. Okay, we can go into the more detail about the each and every city level of data. Okay, let's go back to the country level. Select the United States and come to that south region. What are the states are there in the south region? Okay, Florida. I want to go for see that. Click on Florida. What are the cities are there in the Florida? Miami. Okay, LA, Miramar, Pembroke Pines, something done that. So these are the different types of cities. So this is the way we can navigate from one dashboard to another dashboard, and we see that we are filtering the data, right? When I select the particular country, okay, when you are click particular country, related states. When I click on particular state, related regions or related cities only we are showing. So that is filter action. This is all we discussing about the filter action. The target sheet is filtered based on the source. Target sheet values are filtered based on the source selection. This is the way actions can be created. This is the way actions can be created. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next I can go for show you that what are the target clearing options clearly how it will be work. Okay, let me go for show you that using that year options. We have the year, month. Let me create a sheet with year level sales. I have a year level sales here. Each year wise, how was the sales is there, right? Next, I can go for create one more sheet, month level sales. Okay, we can get the data. Can I drag these two into target on dashboard? Year end. So drag that here, year level sales, and this is month level sales. Okay, so I can have that both the sheets into same dashboard, but I want to create an action between these two sheets. Okay, so getting hiding this field title, this one also I'm getting hiding. Just get a hiding. Is when I select year 2019, I want to see that 2019 data in the bottom. When I select 2020, 2020 related data in the bottom sheet. When I click on 2021, I want to see the 2021 data in the bottom sheet. Okay. So and one more thing, if I don't select anything in the source, I want to get hide this entire sheet. I don't want to this sheet in the bottom. How we can do it is simple. You can go with the dashboard actions. Okay, create add action, filter. All right. In the dashboard 11, what is the source sheet? 10 is my source sheet. The same dashboard 11 is my target. So source is the 10, target is 11. But that's why I selected dashboard 11. Okay, source is 10, target is 11. Here I want to go for click on select option. The first I can go for show you exclude all values. What is meant by exclude all values? Okay, target will be exclude all values, right? Can you see that I'm selecting 2019 related data? You can see in the bottom of the sheet. 2020 2020 related data, 2022 2020 related data, you can see in the bottom of more detail. If I don't selected anything in the source, I want to get hide this entire sheet. I don't want to this sheet in the bottom. How we can do it is simple. You can go with the dashboard actions, filter. All right. Can you see that I'm selecting 2019 related data? You can see in the bottom of more detail. If I don't selected anything in the source, I want to get hide this entire sheet. I don't want to this sheet in the bottom. How we can do it is simple. You can go with the dashboard actions, filter. All right. Can you see that I'm selecting 2019 related data? You can see in the bottom of more detail. If I don't selected anything in the source, it get hidden. Okay, the target sheet get hidden, exclude all values if you don't select any in the source. Okay, if you don't select anything in the source, the target will be get hidden. Is exclude all values in the clearing sheet in the target. When you select only 2019, then you can get that pop-up. Okay, the related data can be shown. If you don't select anything in the source, it get hidden. Okay, that is the exclude all values option. Let me go for edit that action filter. Action, the last filter, right? Edit, edit it. Okay, okay. Show all values. What is mean by show all values? All values. Select the radio button. Exclude all values. The target sheet will be get hidden. Okay, not only one sheet. If you have n number of sheets, all get hidden. Okay, all the target sheets get hidden. Okay, show all values means what is mean by show all values. Let me show you that how it will be work. Okay, so just go for select that any one of the year 2020. We are getting 2020 related data. So if you unselect it, if you uncheck that, it will get all the years information in the target. It will get all the information in the target. Earlier one it doesn't show anything. This one it will show only all the years of data if you don't select any year in the source. If you don't select any year in the source, it will get all the years information in the target. So how it will show in the only filter one. Let me show you that one as well. Action. Okay. Go for select the filter 5. Edit filter. Key filter values. What it mean by key filter values? You can get clarity now how that key filter values will be work. Okay. So when I click on 2020, okay, when I click on 2020, it will get the 2020 data. 2021, 2021 data. Suppose if you uncheck this 2021, I am unchecking it. Still it will show 2021 data only. Or 2020 or 2022, it will show the 2021 data only. Okay, same. If you click for 2022, 2021, if you uncheck it, it will show still 2022 only. Okay, until unless you change the source values, it will show the 2022 year data. That is that values. That is the filtered values. Filtered values, all values in the target and exclude all values. Okay, it will be work in this format. Clear that this is the filter action types, the different types of filter actions we can create it. And here in the target, you can keep it more number of sheets. You can create one more sheet. The sheet can be shown subcategory wise, uh, profit as well. Okay, I want to show that in pie chart suppose, right? I can drag that into my dashboard. This legends I am removing it. This one as well. Now I can see, just hide this title. Okay, let's keep a dashboard action. Edit our action here. So action filter types, you need to give it proper name, then only you can get clarity on that. Here you see source is 10, target is 11 and 12. Okay, 12 automatically selected in the target list. Okay, keep it exclude all values. Keep it exclude all values. What will be happens? These two sheets get hidden when you don't select anything in the source. Okay, if you select 2020, 2020 related data, you can get it in both. Okay, 2021, 2020, and 2019. Values are changing in the target both. Yes. So if I don't selected anything in the source, these two get hidden. So we are excluding the target values if we don't selecting in the source. Okay, this is the way we can create an action filter types. So tomorrow we can go for see that other filter action types. Sorry. Okay. This is the filtering action, filter action. Okay. Thank you everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.